This machine includes a variety of functions, suitable for complex processing. It is easy to operate and can switch smoothly between multiple tools. ATC spindle for engraving and cutting flat materials. Adding a drilling boring units device is mainly used for drilling and milling various kinds of wood, to make standard and smooth inner holes, which can ensure the accuracy of hole positions and product quality. A cutting saw with 300 mm diameter can cut maximum 50 mm thickness sheet at high speed, which is very suitable for the processing needs of furniture panels and door panels.